Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Villain electric dirt bike is a remarkable blend of power, performance, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both off-road enthusiasts and urban commuters. This bike is equipped with a powerful 4160W motor that delivers impressive acceleration and speed, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rugged terrains with ease. The motor provides a thrilling experience, with top speeds reaching up to 40 miles per hour, making it one of the most exciting electric dirt bikes on the market. One of the standout features of the Villain is its robust 52V 26AH battery, which offers a long-range capability. Riders can expect up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and styles. This range makes it possible to take longer rides without the worry of running out of power, whether in the woods or on city streets. The battery is also removable, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office. The build quality of the Heybike Villain is noteworthy. It features a durable frame that can handle rough terrains while maintaining stability. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, which is crucial for safety when riding at higher speeds. The suspension system is designed to absorb shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride over bumps and obstacles. Comfort is also a priority with the Villain. The seat is well padded and designed for extended rides, reducing fatigue on longer journeys. The bike's lightweight design, combined with its sturdy construction, makes it easy to maneuver, even for less experienced riders. Additionally, the bike comes with a bright LED display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. Overall, the Heybike Villain electric dirt bike stands out for its powerful motor, impressive range, and comfortable ride, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to experience electric biking at its finest.